Number one, make it clear you do not want to get all creative on your CV. Boring is actually good when it comes to your CV. Recruiters are scanning hundreds of CVs a day. You need to make sure that the reason you stand out is because of the skills and not because you decided to use some bright pink font and, I don't know, put some crazy patterns on your CV. It actually won't help you. It's not what the recruiter wants to see. They want to see amazing skills jumping off the page at them. So, clean format, clean lines, bullet points, make it very, very easy for them to see what you've done. Second thing that's very important to do, you need to really understand the job description and understand the key words that they are looking for. Make sure you align your CV to the keywords in the job description. Yes, this can be a bit time consuming, but again, if you want to have a successful job search, you need to put the time in. So make sure for every job you apply, you slightly amend your CV so you're using the same language they have in the job description. Number three, don't assume the person reading your CV actually knows what you do. They might know very high level what a finance manager does or a developer does, but they don't understand the nuances. So make it very, very clear and break down into detail what you have done. Also, wherever you can, use quantifiable results. I did this, it increased this. I did that, it doubled revenue. So those are just a few high level tips, but really what's very important is make it clear for them why they should invite you in. Often recruiters are trying to go from a long list to a short list. The long list could be 300 or more applications. Their first job is to get that down to a short list of people they can actually interview. So to go from 300 to 15 profiles, the first thing they're actually doing is looking for reasons why they should reject you. Don't give them any reasons why they should reject you. Make it really obvious, blindingly obvious why you should be invited in.